It's pretty funny. Good morning, my co-pilots. So I woke up this morning and decided, oh, I should have went to that Family Mart. Damn it. Anyways, I woke up this morning and okay, what is this bus doing? I woke up this morning and I was feeling pretty good. So we're gonna go head on to the Factory of the Gods. That is Omori Factory. They open up at 10 and it says that we should be there at about 10:01, so we should get there as soon as they open, and we're gonna have a look around there and see what's different and wonder if the Z-Tune is still there. May or may not be. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not, so it seems like a hit or miss kind of thing. I may or may not pick up some goodies for the ER34. We'll see. I really want that Nismo cluster because, as you guys saw in one of my previous videos, that OEM cluster is awful. It looks gross. It looks disgusting. So we might look at one of those, and I don't know. We'll see though. But I'm hoping that the thing works because the car is auto right now, and I'll get a manual cluster. We're gonna swap it over to manual, but I don't know. So I don't know. I might have to ask my mans on that one just to make sure, because I don't want to go spend $500 and then it not work. Y'all know what I mean? So we'll probably just go look today, and we'll look at a couple of the built 26s that they have and find a Family Mart because I'm starving and I need my chicken. And Family Marts are so bloody hard to find. There's 7-Elevens on every corner, but Family Marts for some reason are just scarce. It's like they know that I'm looking for them. You know, I give up. I do. I give up. Every time when I reach a Family Mart, yep, like that one. Every time when I go past a Family Mart, it's always on the other side of the road. It's on the other side of the road. Well, the first one I passed was on the other side of the road. And then the second one I passed, it was right up the street, like about 300 meters past the left turn that I had to make. And then there was one finally on the left side of the road, but it had this renovation sheet cover over the entire building, so I didn't know it was a Family Mart until I got right up on it, and then there was no parking, and then it was a Family Mart that I just showed you guys. It's like I'm destined to not go to Family Mart. God darn virgins. There you are. You guys already know. Every time I go in Family Mart, I go crazy. Hey guys, gotta forgive me for a minute. This car is not straight for vlogging. But see this right here. I never knew how to open these damn things until just now. And I've been in and out of Japan for about 10 years. I always messed up opening them. So what you do, right, is you pull down all the way to the back and that pull each side off. I did not know that. I used to always mess it up, rip it in half, mess the seaweed up. I would take the seaweed out and then just have it in one hand, have the rice ball in the other, and put them together. I would mess it all up. But to prove to myself and to you guys that I know how to open these bloody things, I'm going to do it right now. So what you do with these, right, and the arrows are on here too, and I still managed to mess it up. And I'm messing it up now because I can't find the end of the tab. Where's the... Seriously? Okay, all right, I got it. So what you do, right, take it from the top, pull all the way down, all the way to the back, and then you pull this side. I think I'm gonna screw it up. And then you pull this side up. Yep, I screwed it up. Anyways, actually, I don't think I screwed it up. I think the rice was just messed up. Yeah, the rice was just messed up. It was already cracked on the inside. I've never seen that before. Look at that. Y'all see it? It is already cracked on the inside. I've never seen that before. Huh, that's the first time that's happened. Figures. The very first time I open this thing correctly and nothing cooperates. We have an 80 Supra. Actually, we have two 80 Supras and an FD2. Alright guys, we made it. We made it to Omori Factory. We're gonna go inside and see what all cool stuff they have. They actually have quite a few cool cars here in the parking lot. They have this note right here. It's on Nismo spec'd up. That's pretty cool. Well, there's somebody's personal car, so I'm not really gonna film on it too much, but we're gonna get inside and see what all goodies they have. Well, damn. Well, guys, I don't have a clue. I checked their hours online, checked the Facebook page. Like, everything says that they're open from 10 a.m. Wednesday through, Sunday, I guess? And it's still dark here. This is actually a different day. This is actually 2 weeks ahead of what you just saw. So I came here 2 weeks ago and filmed everything that you saw before, and now I'm back and still nothing. So I'm not exactly sure. I guess so. Well, no, because I don't want to buy a cluster offline because it kind of ruins the experience. I don't know if it's just due to the pandemic or what, but there's nothing on their Facebook page or no announcements or anything saying that they're closed. So I don't have a clue. If anybody watching is from here and you know of why this place is closed all the time, or if they have any specific hours, or if you have to call to make a reservation to come, please drop me a comment below, because I don't have a clue on what's going on with this place. So, but now I don't really know what we're going to do for the rest of the day, so I guess I have to find something. Anyways, no use crying over spilled milk, so let's get out of here. Well, guys, I tried to make something out of today, but unfortunately it didn't go my way. I actually came to the super/hypercar dealership here near Akiruno, and I tried to see if they would let me in and look, but the people here aren't very friendly, so I didn't really take any pictures or anything or film from the outside either, because they weren't really happy to see somebody like try to look at the inventory. But I mean, that's okay. But they had some pretty cool stuff there from the glass. They had there's actually 2 F40s in there and 918, and they had a Challenge Stradale in there and a red LFA. So I wish I could show you. I'll ride by and try to film from the road, but I don't know how much you guys will see. So we're gonna try though. Hopefully we get stopped at the light so we can get a little bit more from the outside, but I don't want to be at the glass like trying to film, make them even more annoyed. So, but we'll do that. All right, so this is the place here. There's the Challenge Stradale. F40s are in the back. There's a Countach S right there. 918 is there. F40s are in the back. You can't really see them that well. This place here, actually, I'm very shocked that they're not friendly with content creators and people coming in looking at the inventory, because a couple of years ago, James, the Stradman, was in there and he filmed, and it seemed like they were really, really friendly. This was years ago though, before he was as big as he is now, a long time ago. So I'm not exactly sure what happened or why they're so anti-people, but with the whole pandemic, I guess that kind of plays into a factor as well. Today is Supra Day. It's a really nice Lexus dealership. 2 stories. The car's upstairs. It's a really, really nice dealership. Well, guys, I apologize. Today was such a huge fail. I'm gonna try to get to the bottom of the whole Omori Factory thing. Actually, off camera, I stopped at the shop on my way here, and I asked my people about it, and they don't know either. So it's kind of strange. But like I was saying before, if you live in the area and you know what's up with Omori Factory, leave a comment down below and enlighten me on what's going on. So as far as the supercar dealership, I know there's a lot more opportunities to view supercars here, so we won't let that one get under our skin or nothing like that. And I mean, I kind of get it, because I used to work at a supercar dealership, and it would be pretty annoying when people would come up and always want to just take pictures with the car and drag you away from your job, what you're doing, and you have a set time schedule that you got to get things done for the boss and everything. So I get it, I understand it. And they weren't like real nasty or anything like that. And you guys saw the name of the dealership, so please don't leave any bad reviews on their page or nothing like that. They weren't nasty or anything. They were just, you can tell that they just were a little irritated. And also, I was respectful. I didn't just have my camera out or nothing like that. I just kind of asked to look. And when I was in there, I was going to fill out the situation and see if they would let me film, but that really didn't happen. So, but anyways, I mean, I guess that brings today to a close. We'll do something exciting in the next one. I have a few things lined up, so you guys will see what that'll be. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this kind of daily grind type vlog. And if you guys enjoy this Japan content, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And there's a whole lot more coming your way for sure. So with that being said, take care of yourself and each other.